looks like it's time for
Science at home.
For this experiment, it looks like we're going to need a couple of things. One balloon filled with air. And one balloon filled with water. A lighter, a candle, and don't forget your trusty safety glasses. Now that we have everything together, what do you think will happen if we take the balloon that's just filled with air and put it in the candle flame? It'll probably bust, won't it? Well, let's just see. Yep, the balloon popped. Let's see that again in slow-mo. What do you think will happen when you take the water balloon and put it in the candle flame? It might just pop also and get water everywhere, which would just be a little bit more exciting, wouldn't it? Well, let's try it and see. Nothing's happening. The balloon is directly in the flame and it's not popping. Why is that? Let's take a closer look. As you can see, the flame is touching the bottom of the balloon. But nothing's happening to the balloon, it's staying intact. So as you can see from closer inspection, the candle flame was touching the bottom of the balloon. The heat from the flame was going right past the balloon into the water that's inside the balloon. That's why it didn't pop. The water is so good at absorbing heat that it doesn't allow the balloon to heat up too much and make the balloon pop. You see a little black in the bottom, but all that is the carbon from the candle flame. The balloon itself is perfectly intact, nothing wrong with it whatsoever. This process of heat transfer is also used in our cars. When the engine runs, the cooling system for the car runs water by the engine, causing the heat to dissipate into that water. The water absorbs that heat and moves it around and away from the engine, so that it keeps the engine cooler and it can run properly. This is used in everyday life. Science is all around us. So keep that in mind when you're at home. If you'd like, give this experiment a try. Ask your parents, since you're using fire, make sure you ask your parents to help you, and have fun. This is more Science at Home.